Hi, everybody. I'm Vivian, and I'm CEO and co-founder of Viaex Technologies. I'm here to tell you guys about the future of filtration and why it matters. So last month, one of the biggest winemakers in the world called us and told us about a very real and interesting problem they have. They have stinky wine. This is because the same process used to produce their vintages also sometimes have undesirable aroma or stability chemical byproducts that affect the smell, taste, and stability of the wine. This is an important problem that they would love to solve. However, using conventional methods that are based on an iteration from the size occlusion methods stemming from rock and sand, conventional methods generally utilize large amounts of pressure to push liquid through tiny pores. This is extremely expensive, requires high energy costs, and has trillions of dollars in environmental costs yearly. And it simply just does not solve the problem. Because what the winemaker truly wants is just to selectively pull these compounds out of the liquid. This is where Viaex comes in. We make special functionalized membranes that are able to selectively filter out undesirable compounds while leaving the rest of the solution intact. This is huge for the food and beverage and wastewater as well as pharma industries. They each have large liquid treatment, like on your left, that includes reverse osmosis as well as ion exchange, in addition to microfiltration and other nanofiltration solutions. They require multiple process streams and are extremely expensive to operate. With our technology platform, we're able to reduce that solution into a compact membrane that's able to selectively pull out the compounds of choice. This has a very real economic consequence because we reduce the steps required as well as the cost required, leading to a 10x cost in labor and energy reduction. So it's as simple as the membrane, because what we make are functional membranes. In my hand is a cartridge that is specially designed to filter out mercury. So how do we do this? We start from the lowly lobster shell. It's not the lobster, but what's inside the exoskeleton. The lobster exoskeleton is one of many abundant biowaste that is rich in chitin, a naturally occurring polysaccharide that's the second most abundant polysaccharide in the world. And at Viaex, we turn chitin biowaste into the most advanced filtration systems in the world. So we start in the laboratory where we liquefy the polymer. Then this is where we start to make filtration smart. We're able to program our material to be compound selective at resolutions that are on the element level. Then we're able to scale rapidly with a nanofiber platform, which allows us to create compact tangential flow systems specifically designed to select particular molecules out of solution. We have an enormous scalable advantage. So at our current cost of production, we're extremely competitive with existing incumbent products. And with our milestones in the next 5 years, we're able to rapidly scale down our cost, increasing overall profit margin. Viaex has complete IP ownership over our portfolio, which leads to IP ownership over a range of synthetic biomaterials, although we retain strong ties with the UC California system, namely Berkeley and San Diego. And we've achieved a lot. So we've achieved bactericide, mercury removal, and magnesium removal, as well as a MERV rating of 19+. This gives us the confidence to use our platform to tackle more specific technology. And simply in our space is extremely fragmented. Each vertical are worth billions of dollars, and these large companies are extremely specialized. We have an encompassing technology that's able to consolidate the market needs. We've already have traction in these spaces. We're partnering with extremely large automaker brands, biopharma, and wastewater treatment. In the next 2 years, we anticipate to be rolling out product in each of these verticals. So furthermore, this is not only good for the enterprise, but also good for the environment. Because by selecting a natural bio-waste as our starting material, our ending material can go back into the environment. And this is something that our customers tell us they want and are willing to pay a premium for. We have a simple but powerful business model to apply our technology to specific spaces. We have an upfront R&D deposit model with a standardized and resale, amounting to $10 to $20 million for each customer lifetime value. And our goal is to use this technology to provide the best filtration solution, to minimize environmental impact, as well as bring specificity of control over process fees to consumer products. And we're on track to reaching our aggressive milestones. We're supported by an amazing team with background in nanotechnologies, desalination technology, as well as a lineage through NSF, Berkeley Labs, as well as very fortunate to be a part of IndieBio's 4th cohort. So I'm very pleased to announce that we have closed the majority of our fundraising. We're raising $4 million in seed fundraising, and now we're looking for strategic partners as well as like-minded scientists that wants to join us in the journey to make the world a more sustainable place. Thank you.
Thank you.